what is meant by stack panel and how to use a stack panel. Stack panel is a layout panel. By using, we can arrange a child controls either in vertical or horizontal manner in a single line, and it depends on the orientation property of a stack panel. So let's switch to the XAML design to see how to use a stack panel. To demonstrate this one, we have a simple main window application here. We created a WPF application, and inside this is a main window. So by default, this window tag will appear along with the namespaces and the size of the window, and the default is a grid. So let's go to the in grid and create a stack panel. So IntelliSense will give this stack panel here. So create it. Now, as we said, this is a layout panel. So in this, we are going to add a child elements. So I'll start adding the child element. I'll say add a button, give the content to the button, n1, and this is the button now. So by default, if you see, this is arranged in a first line, and if you add one more button to the next line, or 2-3 more buttons to the next line, this button 2, button 3, 4, and button 5. Let's see how it's been arranged. It has been arranged vertically in a single line, because by default the property vertical orientation property will be vertical. If I change this orientation property in the stack panel to the horizontal, now all buttons will be arranged in a horizontal manner in a single line. Just to make it more beautiful way, we'll add other properties of height and width of these buttons and a margin. We take this margin to 10 from each side for each button. You can see this 5 buttons has been arranged like this. And if we make this again vertical, it will be vertically like this. So this is how stack panel works. It arrange the child elements either vertically or horizontally.